Hi everyone and welcome back to a new vlog. It's me, Yasmina, your local mom friend. Mom in university, whatever. Anyway, today we're starting hot girl summer, like literally hot girl summer, because it's 27 degrees outside and it's supposed to get even hotter tomorrow and the days that follow. Because this is like the most summer it will probably ever get in Finland. So to enjoy that. Up till now you've only seen me fetch my new Fitbit, or new old, I bought it like thrifted or like secondhand, because my old one decided to die after I went swimming with it, even though these are supposed to be waterproof until like up to 50 meters. We're about to leave outside with Jay to go and enjoy the nature and the weather. Don't forget to subscribe for more quality university and lifestyle videos, and let's get on with the video.
It goes without saying, but you're my best friend, my second earth, with kisses like a song you so want. January had a summer, sanctuary in our little bubbles. I feel you, revival, ride with you in sunset lights. Yeah, you're simply wonderful, and all that you are. You're simply wonderful, and all that we've got. May not be forever, could it be forever? Yeah. Outside, it's all chaos and noise. Peace had lie beneath your voice and your whispers and kisses. Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving I've been. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. Must need overdose of empathy. My pops and me, more screenshots of me. The streets are free, go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line. Gotta hit my boy Ricky for the way up the time. Proud of driven, but it's nothing like the climb and grind. Take
Day 2. We're about to leave and go get some lunch. I haven't really been vlogging because I've had the most unproductive, uninteresting morning, really. But now we're gonna go out and enjoy the weather because it's 27 degrees. Woo!
I need you so. If there's one thing that's for certain, wherever you go, I'm going the same. Yeah, when our time is finally come, I lay my eyes beside your love. Baby, take me home. Take my hand, more than you know, more than a million conversations could ever expose. I need you close, beyond my wildest expectations. I can't let go. Too lonely alone. Oh, when our time is finally come, I lay my eyes beside your love. And when the curtain begins to close, I will draw near and keep you close. And when the stars fall from the sky.
It's around 8 p.m. I haven't, what? 9 p.m. Is it really? Haven't done anything productive except play on my Nintendo Switch. Had some iced tea and we're now having dinner. Welcome back to another episode of Mom Friend Hotline.
sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days, makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
Alright everybody, that was it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up as usual. And don't forget to comment down crown emojis if you're still watching, because you're royalty for sticking all the way until the end. If you want to see more university and lifestyle content, don't forget to subscribe for more quality content. And make sure to turn on your post notifications, because I post at 6 p.m. my time, but I don't know what that is in your time. So if you want to be notified for whenever I post in your time zone, make sure to click on the bell to be notified. I will see you next Monday in a brand new video. Until then, take care. If you want to see more of my content, you can follow me on my Instagram called at jasusstories, and I also have a podcast called at Mom Friend Hotline. You can find it wherever you listen to your podcasts. You should definitely go check it out. Until next week, take care. Thank you so much for staying and watching, and I'll see you then. Bye.